I'm Jay Williams with Gregory Pool, Caterpillar out of the Jacksonville branch. I've been with Gregory Pool for just over a little of a year. I'm the rental sales rep in that area. We're highlighting the Mech Micro 26 today. It is obviously 26-foot platform height. Working height, you can up to 31 feet. It is 2 foot shorter than the majority of the 26-foot lifts out there. The key features of this has a 6-degree turning radius, really tight radiuses to get around some objects. It is fully self-contained, so there's no leaks. You don't have to worry about this. You can get non-marking tires for it. It does have an extended platform as well. This lift is excellent on indoor applications, electrical, plumbing, fire, sprinkler install is fabulous for it. You get 2 men up there, up to 500-pound capacity. Deck extends out nice, and for transportation, it does retract into a short, compact platform as well. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to contact anybody at a Gregory Pool facility throughout Eastern North Carolina.